Welcome to eBay Affiliate Marketing. We are your go-to destination for making money online. With our easy-to-use tools, you can promote products from the world's largest marketplace and earn commissions on sales. So, if you're looking for an effective way to monetize your website or blog, join us today and start earning more. With eBay Affiliate Marketing, you get the best of both worlds: a simple platform, an extensive promotional catalog, and a generous commission structure. So what are you waiting for? Start monetizing your online presence today with eBay Affiliate Marketing. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. What is eBay Affiliate Marketing? eBay Affiliate Marketing is a great way to make money online. With eBay Affiliate Marketing, you can earn a commission for referring customers who purchase the products through your affiliate links. As an eBay affiliate, you will receive exclusive discounts, promotional offers, and access to advanced analytics tools that will help you track sales performance and maximize profits. With eBay Affiliate Marketing, you can become a successful affiliate marketer and grow your income without requiring extra effort or technical skills. With the right strategy, you can make an impressive income while enjoying all the benefits of working with one of the world's most popular online retailers. Join eBay Affiliate Marketing now and start earning commission today. How to start through eBay Affiliate Marketing? eBay Affiliate Marketing is an excellent way to earn money online. You can start making money through eBay's affiliate program with these simple steps. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up for the eBay Partner Network. You will need to create an account with the eBay Partner Network to get started. This will give you access to the dashboard to set up your affiliate links and track your performance. 2. Find products to promote. Once signed up, browse through eBay's products catalog or search for items related to your blog or website content. When you find a product that interests you, copy the link and add it to your blog or website. 3. Promote the items. When visitors to your site click on the link, they will be directed to eBay, and you will earn a commission if they make a purchase. You can promote these products in various ways, such as through email newsletters, social media posts, and ads. 4. Track your performance. The eBay Partner Network dashboard will provide you with statistics and insights into the performance of your promotions. This will help you determine which advertisements are working, so you can focus on those for better results. With eBay Affiliate Marketing, you can monetize your blog or website efficiently and effectively. Start earning today by signing up for the eBay Partner Network. Happy money making. Bonus tip: make sure to leverage eBay deals. eBay deals offer special discounts, free shipping, and bonus items that can help you maximize your earnings. By taking advantage of these offers, you can create a powerful and profitable affiliate marketing program on eBay. So, check out the deals section when you are ready to promote. Thanks for watching about eBay Affiliate Marketing. We hope you subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone interested in this type of marketing. Your feedback is always valued and appreciated, so please get in touch with us with any comments or questions. I appreciate your support and we look forward to hearing from you soon.